What's happening to this pile?
It's going to be a bomber. The bomber class in Macon.
Yep.
Got to put a cage in it. Fuel cell, battery location, seat, belts. It has to be done by Friday.
74 Oldsmobile.
73, 74.
Yeah. Do we got to remove the dash? Yeah, the dash has to come out.
Yeah, he said he can remove it, but I don't know because when I set the cage down in it, I don't know. It needs to be gone.
Yeah, we'll have to get the dash out and then.
How it comes out is how it comes out.
Well, it is a race car now, so we got to paint it.
We would like to. He wants to paint it like Yarborough's car.
Yarborough, who?
White and gold.
White and gold. Okay.
He ran an Oldsmobile.
Gotcha. Yeah. Alrighty. So we'll take you through the process of that, and then
stay tuned.
Yep. He should have brought us a tack and stuff so we could have mounted a dash in it.
Yeah, I know. I don't know if he's got a tack.
Okay, well.
I don't think he really gives a fuck about the RPMs.
I would. You ain't going to spin that motor. 6,500 is probably
max.
All you need out of that torque. Because, that's all that motor is torque. That's
he
how
wants it for a display Saturday, if the weather's permitting up there in Macon.
Yeah, this is a 350 Olds rocket.
It's 350 Olds.
No, is it Olds the rocket or Buick?
No, it's the rocket.
Okay, whatever the hell that means.
It'll rocket the rod right out.
I don't know. It runs good. It sounds good. I think, didn't these have an oil pressure?
Yeah.
Problem for the.
Well, up to the.
Yeah,
Yeah, like you said, he just wants to display it right now. Get the class going.
He probably eventually put a Chevy 350 in it or something.
That's what he's going to do.
Yeah, I would. If I would race it with that, see what it does.
Yeah, that's what he's going to do. He's got a 9-inch going in it. A lot of things he's going to do by himself. He just wants to get displayed.
Well, I guess he can't do like I said, the cage and that, and then we're using an old modified cage, which I assume we'd mark this to cut the roof off.
Yep. Yeah, it's going to be topless for a minute.
Be a damn convertible. So.
Now I got to take the glass, mirrors.
Do we gotta, I guess, just make the bars here and then the screen, unless he's going to do that?
We can do that. I'm just trying to help him out.
Well, that's what it's about, ain't it? It's going to be neat, though, because the idea from when we're going to turn the Sportsman into a street stock is something similar to this body. A little different, a little older.
Yeah, we got enough classes going on.
Yeah, I know. We got the Pinto. I can't wait to drive the Pinto.
Me neither.
That's going to be fun. And then Nova will finish the trunk up in that. He's putting Dynomat down in it. And now we have the glory of fitting some Volkswagen seats in it, I think.
Volkswagen seats.
Whatever the customer wants, I guess. But sometimes they become a headache.
We're here to please.
I guess.
And fabricate.
But, yep. We'll go through this. What are you doing now? Cutting the floor out?
No, I'm cutting this door out.
Oh, we got to gut the whole.
Yeah, we're going to gut it.
Oh, yeah, because eventually they're going to be welded up.
Oh, yeah, we're going to weld them up.
Okay.
We can zip time.
All right. Well, I like the way they did the Pinto. They bolted it on, but.
Well, this ain't getting bolted on.
No, we'll weld it. It's got to be quick and easy. Like your first girlfriend.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy. Didn't make it good. It just made it quick and easy.
Never gonna treat like their first piece of ass.
Nah, it'd be fine. Make it safe and make it good. That's all that matters.
Oh, what fun.
I don't know what any, like, I don't know. It sounds like it'd be a fun class, like a V8, you know, Hornet class, you know, bombers or whatnot.
It's a bomber.
I know.
We got to put the bumpers on too.
They have to have the bumpers on it?
Yes, they do.
Do we have to finish the mud work?
Cut it off.
You know what's sad is the kid that had it, he tried to do body work and it didn't.
It didn't pan out very well.
No, it fucking caught me, you son of a bitch. But, yeah, and then he cut this out thinking, which,
Hey.
he cut it out good, like really decent. He broke it away from here and everything.
He's gonna do like Ludi, you know.
That's right.
Put some chicken screen in
I'm
that.
sorry, he was going to put the chicken screen in there.
Yeah.
But he did such a nice job cutting it out.
He done
And you were going to freaking chicken wire it up, and he cleaned everything.
Yeah. He was on the right path until the chicken wire.
Yeah, he said he was going to do the AutoZone Bondo kit.
Hold on, I think I still got it here. Oh, yep, hold on. I still got it.
Yep, the AutoZone Bondo.
Self-adhesive body patch.
That's all right. Yeah.
Vinegar Spanish.
Well, this side would have been harder for him because you would have had to build a little bit of the inner for the window. But none of that shit matters now because we're going to cut the fucking roof off anyway.
We're going to cut the roof off, then we're going to take a nice piece of aluminum, put in here, pop
Yep.
ribbit that bitch, cover this fucking window up right here,
That's right.
and hope for the best.
Alrighty, so.
Exhaust all comes in place.
Oh, that's the plan with that one. I got to paint some parts for that 33 Chevy today.
Yep.
And then I'll come over here and we'll start filming and cutting and doing all kinds of goofy shit. We'll probably be here late tonight, so.
Late tonight, late tomorrow night. We load it on the trailer.
We gotta take it to him?
No.
Oh, good. Whew. Travel. But, yeah, building race cars. That's cool.
Yep.
They don't have to be fast. They just have to be race car-y. That's all that matters. I don't know. That Buick does one hellacious
I've been
burnout.
watching Bad Chad this morning, so.
Well, we watched him cut a set of
Cast iron.
cast iron manifolds off an LS1 and move them and then weld up a gap like that. I don't know. I tried to weld them at one time.
3/8 quarter-inch gap. He's welding up.
I don't know.
Hey.
Each his own. I don't think I would have done that. I'd have spent $190 on the manifolds.
He's still welding on my hearing.
The hooker manifolds. They work out good.
Yes, they do. All right.
Make what you can, but sometimes it don't work out.
No, good try,
But
guys.
yeah, we're gonna
All right,
cut.
That's how you remove the window. Oh.
It's good parts. Let's see. The door got it. Remember, lightweight makes a race car.
Yeah.
You don't need all the power. You just need less weight.
But don't use muffler tubing to build a cage. That don't work out very well.
I don't see why it wouldn't. It would be okay. To your own discretion. They don't make reinforcement bars for doors like that anymore.
No, that's an intrusion bar, buddy.
Yeah, that
That stays.
Holy shit. They're like,
Fuck.
what, the fuse blow or did the...
Fucking breaker.
Alright.
You scrap a Cadillac. Lighten her up a little bit.
That intrusion bar. I mean, we've done a lot of collision on newer cars, and I don't think they're that beefy.
No, they're not.
Like you,
But you gotta think back in
well, that door weighs a
the
ton.
70s,
It's still, I mean, look at that.
you get hit in the door with another big Cadillac or an old like this, it's gonna hurt.
Well, I mean, cars had a lot more weight, but it just, I mean,
Shit, it lightened it up quick. I mean, hell, pick that up. That's probably 75 pounds right there.
oh, absolutely. Well, the glass, what is that, 10, 15 pounds?
Yeah.
The glass is heavy. I don't know, it could be less, but that,
Oh, yeah. And it's still functional, see? That's what's cool about it.
yeah, well, it can't be for, I guess, the race car.
All right. Let's get this all saw. Back this roof off. What the hell's in there? Oh,
Is it the seatbelt?
there's a bolt.
Probably should cut it lower. Okay.
I had to get my jack.
Oh, there's a screw there. That's
Yeah.
all that is. Oh, hell, did she come loose? She's loose. That screw was fucking trooper. We made a removable roof. Well, kind of. It's a hard top. So, you know, somebody's old lady needs a damn convertible. This is the how-to. Hey, be careful. Don't scratch it.
I'm gonna try not to.
Don't scratch it. She has some rod in her.
It'll be all right.
Why we gotta take them off? We just hook them together and hold the roof down.
Well, now, guys, we got to drive this around the block like this. It runs and drives. We got enough gas to make it around the block?
I doubt it.
Get low.
I mean, I've never ridden in a convertible before.
Hey, that's a, what's his name?
What, the seat that broke?
Tony.
Tony. Yeah, that was that AMX.
Yep.
Seat pulled out of it.
All right. That's all you need.
Here's how you remove glass.
All right.
I put this put it in bags.
Yep.
Put it in back seat.
That's all we can do.
It's been vacuumed out. I just gotta wipe it out.
All right. Now I gotta get that seat out. Get all the shit out from over there.
All right. Well, we're on the second step of this. We got the roof cut off of this Oldsmobile, and it's a budget race car, so we got to use used parts.
You call goddamn Finnegan and see where in the hell he gets his saw blades at.
Yeah, well, those are Harbor Freight, so.
Give me another blade.
What the hell, you got another blade?
Oh.
Tow truck comes in handy. Cut the back section off, front section off, leave the cabin intact, get it to fit down in this Oldsmobile, tie it into the frame, and then make the down bars for the back, and then, you know, just tie everything in the frame. But yep, just one of those things is how to build a budget race car. Got a bomber class, that's what that's going to be in, so we're going to make it as affordable as possible for them. And that's an old modified chassis that's already all bent up, so as long as it fits in there and climb in and out and it's safe and away from everything, we'll be all right. So he's out there fighting with some reciprocal saw blades, so we'll keep it on. Like I said, he like he said, Friday we gotta let it go. So what? Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Need me to lift up or down? Well, I guess up, right?
No, it's in there.
What if?
No, we're gonna let it out there.
Yeah, cause well, cut these bars free. That's why you got tension there.
I know, we're just gonna fucking let it down, drag it in here. I don't feel like fucking killing my fucking grill.
Yeah. All right. See how much. Okay, so the back cap's cut off.
Yeah.
Where you want it? Inside?
Oh, you can just set it right there. No, we just need the cab.
Center cage.
We put I put all the stuff on that old yellow plastic.
So.
It's got the motors sitting in it right beside it.
Alrighty.
Back.
Oh.
We just threw it all up there.
That's fine.
I threw the trash in the dumpster.
Okay. Cut the front stub off now.
Yep.
When do we get trees?
Oh, it was just growing.
It's growing.
It's
Where's my let's see if I can cut it.
What's
I
that?
was gonna get my fucking cutoff wheel and just cut these fuckers, but let's see if I can cut it.
Well, the reciprocal saw's doing a good job. It's just No, but they didn't seem like they were trying to get out or anything.
No,
Good.
no.
Good.
I didn't call up in the yard or anything.
Oh, you're all right. Oh my God! We're just gonna Zeus it back together. No, just Zeus it back together. You just make a clean cut and you just Zeus it back together. No, it's off of roadkill. When they took the muscle truck and they took it off road, they had to cut the fingers out. And Finnegan was like, "I'll do it. I'll make a clean cut and we'll just Zeus it back in." And it's just no. He cut that fucker like it wouldn't cut straight. And you watch Freiberger, he's about to, he's just not enjoying it at all. So.
Well, I'm gonna put the roll now.
Okay.
Yeah, what you do is you put that 110 in the water, and then you get real good shock, and you get going.
Well, I'd rather unplug it than get.
Lunchtime.
Oh yeah, it's been ready 5 minutes ago. So.
Billy Bob got to eat.
Yep. So we got to eat.
Eat some late lunch.
Fat as
'cause
fuck.
We're gonna be here late fucking hours.
Fat people gotta eat. Alrighty, well, that's part one of this bomber video. As you see, is how we're putting the cage in, cut the roof off. So stay tuned for part two. We finished it up. I wasn't able to put all the footage into one solid video. I'm going to try to shorten these videos up, make it easier to upload on YouTube. So just stay tuned for part two, and we'll keep